Welcome to our tutorial on how to send a GIF on WhatsApp with the latest updates. Let's dive into the simple steps to share your favorite GIFs with your contacts. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. Once you're in, navigate to the chat where you want to send the GIF. Next, look for the smiley face icon located at the bottom left corner of the chat window. This is where you can access GIFs, stickers, and emojis. Tap on the smiley face icon and select GIF from the options that appear. You'll now have access to a wide range of GIFs to choose from. Once you've found the perfect GIF that captures what you want to express, simply tap on it. To send it, hit the send arrow icon located next to the GIF. And there you have it. Your GIF is now on its way to delight your recipient and add some fun to your conversation. Sending GIFs on WhatsApp is a great way to express yourself creatively and add a touch of humor or emotion to your chats. So go ahead and spice up your conversations with some animated fun. That's all for now. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how easy it is to share GIFs on WhatsApp with just a few simple steps. Thanks for watching.